Hey there, let's take a closer look at the files generated by the plugin. First off, the plugin outputs two files, a CSS file for your primitives and a TypeScript files for your Tailwind classes. You'll notice a cool feature here, Tailwind scoping. For example, when you see border radius, it means those values can only be applied to border radius properties. This scoping is created by the plugin that uses your Figma scoping to limit where developer can use certain value, making sure they stay consistent. So, when the developer is working on the project, only the relevant values for each property designed by the designer will be available. That's also why you may see multiple tokens for a single Figma variable in the changelog. The Figma scoping is being directly mapped to the Tailwind scope. For instance, if I have a shape scope, it will generate a fill class. Meanwhile, a text scope will generate a text class. These ensure the exact same classes the developer uses match the same one the designer intended, creating a shared language across the team. And here is another neat detail. The plugin will ignore folder with parentheses in Figma. This means no messy organizational folders cluttering up your tokens. Just clean, usable tokens for developer.